Hello and welcome! In this how to draw video, we'll be drawing a scary zombie donut. Great little drawing for Halloween, so we hope you follow along and have lots of fun. But before we get started, what do we need? We need a marker to do the drawing, some paper to do the drawing on, and something to colour in with. So markers, crayons, pencils, whatever you like. All right.
Oil pastels, paint.
Yep, all that sort of stuff. You ready to get started?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. All right, so to do our zombie donut, we first are going to draw a really big circle in the page there. So we'll do that first. Nice big circle. Now, with the circle, we're going to leave a little gap in the bottom.
Because his legs are going to be there.
That's right. So that's where his legs are going to stick out. All his front legs. The legs closest to you.
What?
Okay.
What? Different amount of things.
Yeah, you better get a different marker.
Yeah.
Okay, now if it's easier, you can, when you draw your circle, turn your page around like I do. Now, because it's a zombie, you can make it a little wobbly and, yeah, make it look scary. All right, so the next part we're going to do, I'm just going to draw in his arm on the left side there. So it's going to be just sticking out a little bit. So he's walking like a zombie, you know how to walk with the arms out on the front. So I'm going to do a little sort of a hand shape there.
Then make like a shoe.
Yeah, so he's like holding out his hand like that. Okay. So,
Other hand.
yeah, we'll do that one shortly. The first thing we're going to do is, because this zombie donut is a donut with icing, or it's a glazed donut, so we're going to have lots of dripping icing on it. So we're going to start on the side here. We're going to just do a little curve, so it's by the arm. Yeah, and then underneath that we're going to do
a big curve.
Yeah, maybe 4 or 5 big curves. So you can kind of...
1.
Just like this. 1.
2. 3.
And to make it interesting, you can make them all different sizes. And I'll do a small there like that. Cool, there we go. So that's all the icing sitting on top. Okay, so next one I'm going to do is his eyes. We're going to do 2 big eyes in the middle there. So we're going to draw one here.
Here.
And we can draw another one here as well.
And put some lines because his eyes is a bit wrinkly.
Yeah, you can do that. Now, normally what I like to do with zombies is leave the eyes blank and then also don't colour that in, and that kind of gives it a zombie look. But you can do whatever you like.
Yeah.
All right, so the next part we're going to do is his mouth, and it's kind of going to be an upside down sort of smiley mouth because he's a zombie and he's going "Arr," like that. So we're going to draw like this. And it kind of looks like a
dog mouth, a dog nose.
Yeah, or kind of like a jelly bean, like that. Yeah, very good. And then we're going to stick a tongue here as well, like this. Okay. And the next part we're going to do is his other arm finally. So we're going to do it looks very similar to that. And it's going to be sticking out the other side. But this side, because we'll be looking at a different angle, yeah, we're going to see his thumb. So we'll draw a little, just like a little U shape there. And then from there, we'll do a line joining his body. And then the other side, we're going to draw around that and going to go around kind of like a J, a hook shape like that. So that's his arm sticking out there. All right, so next we'll do his legs. Yeah, his feet and his legs. So we left a little gap here in the beginning, remember? So this is where we're going to draw the other leg. So we're going to draw a leg going down here like that. And then draw a line on the other side. And then we're going to draw a little feet or a foot, should I say, like this. And then we're going to do one on the other side.
The same thing, but it's going to go a bit diagonal.
That's right, so it's a bit higher and a bit diagonal because it looks like he's actually walking, so it's not actually touching the ground. But it's the same shape as the other leg. Do 2 lines like this. Oh, you've already done it, good job. And another little round bit like that. And the ground will be sitting up there, so he's kind of like walking as zombies walk. Okay, alrighty, so we've got all the lines done, so next part is to colour in. Alright, so we're going to fast forward this part, and we'll see you back very soon. Alrighty, and we're back. We finished colouring them in, and I think they look really great. We've added some extra details. Some of the icing is dripping on the floor, just like a zombie. He's all falling apart.
And he has eye bags.
That's right. We've put eye bags on him. And the nice thing about zombies is this used to be a strawberry donut, but because the icing has gone off, as it's all expired, he's turned into a zombie. You can mix lots of different little colours to give it that zombie look. But you know, they look pretty amazing. Are you happy with yours?
Yeah, and we put some grey to make more like a zombie.
That's right. Yeah, great job. Well, there you go, a zombie donut. So we hope you followed along and had lots of fun. I know we did. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time.
Bye.